Round 1.
Oh!
Oh! I understood the assignment. I understood the assignment.
I didn't tell my BF how big our new cat is going to be.
See, you like
Here is
him.
his reaction.
He's cute.
Okay, well, I have something to tell you.
What?
Do you know what type of cat he is?
There's types of cats.
No.
No.
He's a Maine
He's
Coon.
sweet.
He's a Maine Coon.
Okay.
Have you ever heard of them?
No.
Okay, well, this is gonna be him when he grows up. He's gonna be like 30 pounds.
I'm 5'5".
And so will he.
He's gonna be bigger. We're bringing him back.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
He's so cute. Look at
He's
him.
going to eat us.
No, he's a good boy. Look at
This
him.
isn't a turn to that. That's a Whopper Junior. No, that's a Whopper Senior.
This is Whopper Jr.
No, we're bringing him back.
No.
Oh my god, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly, bitch!
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you.
My brother said he'd trained the cat to do tricks, and I didn't believe him.
Sit. Good girl. Sit. Spin. Good girl. Okay. Up. Up. Good girl. Misty. Speak. Speak. Yes. Play dead. Good girl. Yeah.
Proud.
Yeah.
Nani? Nani? Ay, qué bonito.
Oh my god! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
When your dog barks from both ends.
Vur bakayım. Vur vur.
Round 1.
Oh!
Oh!
Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba. Do ba 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 do. Do ba do do do.
What the fuck?
A do ba do do ba do.
This is trash.
A do ba do ba do. A do ba do ba do do.
You see this?
Do you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had?